Hello everyone, I Anu Dhariwal welcome you all to the class. Children, in the last session we have been discussing about paragraph writing. Let us move ahead with the topic today. Let's discuss types of paragraphs. There are 4 types of paragraphs: narrative, descriptive, expository and persuasive. The paragraph can be used to describe or explain an endless variety of things. It's important to know how to use each paragraph type for the right purpose though. So children, there are 4 types of writing or 4 types of paragraphs, that is narrative, descriptive, expository and persuasive. If you want to write a perfect paragraph, you need to understand what these kinds means. That means what is the purpose to write each paragraph, whether it is narrative or it is descriptive, expository or persuasive. How are we going to know it? By studying all of these in detail. So let us move ahead. The first kind of paragraph or writing that we are going to study is narrative paragraphs. Narrative paragraphs tell about a scene, story or an event. As you can see, on the right hand side given as a picture that is telling us a story, the rabbit and the tortoise. So you can see these kind of paragraphs or these kind of writings which tell us about a scene, an event or any story. Such kind of writings are known as narrative writings or narrative paragraphs. Descriptive paragraphs. Descriptive paragraphs give vivid descriptions of one subject. It can be anything from friend, family, a beach, my pet, etc. That means children, when you describe one single topic, when the subject is singular, the kind of writing you do or the kind of paragraphs you write are known as descriptive paragraphs. On the right hand side you can see a picture that states my best friend essay. So when you are writing an essay about a certain or a particular topic, for example here the essay is all about my best friend. So when you are writing, anything that you write in this paragraph will all be about your best friend. So the topic or the subject is one. The subject is your best friend. Such writings are known as descriptive writings or descriptive paragraphs. Third kind of paragraphs are expository paragraphs. Expository writing is writing that seeks to explain, illuminate or expose. Now you would know why are these called expository paragraphs. The name comes from the word expose. This type of writing can include newspaper and magazine articles, instruction manuals, textbooks, encyclopedia articles and other forms of writing so long as they seek to explain. Here you can see 2 pictures. On the left hand side is an instruction manual that tells us about prevention, transmission, symptoms and details about the novel coronavirus. On the right hand side you see a newspaper article that is also describing how corona is reaching the capital and how it is spreading all over the world. So such writings or such paragraphs which tell us or which includes anything from newspaper, magazine articles to instruction manuals, textbook, encyclopedia articles are referred to as expository paragraphs or expository writings. Last kind of paragraphs are persuasive paragraphs. Persuasive writing intends to convince readers to believe in an idea or opinion and to do an action. That means whosoever is reading it, this kind of writing intends to convince them about the writings or the things they have written. They want to convince the readers. Many writings such as criticisms, reviews, reaction papers, editorials, proposals, advertisements, and brochures use different ways of persuasion to influence readers. For example, movie reviews. Before going to a movie, everyone nowadays watch for the movie reviews. Why do we see movie reviews? To get a review about the movie. What kind of movie it is? Is it interesting or not? Should we waste our money on it or not? So these kind of writings are persuasive writings which will convince you about the material written in the paragraph. It can be advertisement or any kind of brochures. All of these are examples of persuasive paragraphs. This is it for today's session, children. This was the last topic of this chapter. I hope I would have made myself very clear to you. We'll see you soon in a new session with a new topic. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.